Economic growth in the Caucasus and Central Asia is expected to decline from about 7% in 2013 to about 5.5% in 2014-15. And the main reasons are the spillovers from the slowdown of economic growth in Russia, increased geopolitical risks, and also slower domestic demand growth in a number of countries in the region. Inflationary pressures are also rising because of weakening currencies and rising food prices. And risks are tilted to the downside. A deeper or more protracted slowdown in Russia will further weaken remittances, exports, and investment. And slower growth in emerging market economies, for example, China, may affect exports of commodities from the region. One might think that 1 percentage point decline in economic growth rates is not a big deal, especially given that many countries in the world are growing at much lower rates. Given that the region is facing less favorable near-term economic prospects, some pause in fiscal consolidation is justifiable in countries that have sufficient buffers. And if the current decline in oil prices persists, oil exporters in the region may need to adjust their fiscal positions by more than originally planned. More generally, we believe that the region is in need of a new economic model that delivers sustained, diversified, and inclusive growth. Immigration and unemployment, especially among the young people, remain persistently high in the region. We believe that the region needs bold structural economic reforms, particularly in areas that can promote growth of the private sector and create jobs. For this, what is needed is labor market reforms, reforms of the business climate, governance, trade integration, and diversification. All this will help the region overcome the impediments that prevent it from realizing its full potential.